It was a shoot.
I have the certificate.
You are under oath. Okay.
My lord, this case is from my client, Basanti. She claims that she has married Bhopal Das. He has now married another woman called Fulchari. Right, another woman. Her name is Fulchari. And this is not fair as he has not divorced my client. Now we want 50% alimony from Bhopal Das.
My lord, my client was not married really when he married Fulchari. What really happened was, it was a shoot. It was a shooting. It wasn't a real marriage. It wasn't a real marriage.
I would like to bring my client Basanti. So, this is a Bhagavad Gita. Take out.
Lord, I'm Basanti and I have married my beloved one, Gopal Das, on the second round of my husband. And there were many friends and family of mine who have witnessed our marriage. And it's about 10 years. But now this woman came into my life. And she is now accusing marrying my beloved one and scrapped my consent marriage.
Okay. So, my lord, now I would like to call Vivek on the stage. Vivek is a good friend of the Bhopal.
I think this proof of this holy Bhagavad Gita, I will only say the truth and nothing else. So my lord, I know Gopal, he is my oldest friend and my neighbor. I know his family very well. I know what he works. I know he is very innocent. And I am damn sure he is that lazy. He won't be able to handle two marriages at the same time.
I would like to ask you one thing. Do you really think that Jethalal might have done something like this?
Gopal Das, my husband.
No, I don't think that. I know him very.
And also one thing. Since how long have you known Gopal Das?
Gopal Das, my husband.
I know Gopal last like about 10 years ago when he came into the society.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to cross question Gopal Das. So can we have him on? Please take out. So, did you take 7 fedas with Basanti? I am asking, yes or no? Did you take 7 fedas with Basanti?
Yes, but it's a shoot.
Yes.
Yes, but it's a shoot.
I am asking yes or
I
no?
know you are. You took the 7 fedas with me also. Why are you not questioning? Order.
Did you take 7 fedas? Yes or no? Just a yes or no? Yes. Did you sign on the marriage contract?
Yes.
Marriage certificate.
No, but it's a fake certificate or a fake certificate.
I have the certificate and I have your sign on this.
But
So you
it's a shooting
cannot.
certificate.
It is written Basanti and Gopal Das are married and this is legal. This is a proof.
I know you love me and now this woman has taken your heart and now you are dismissing me as my I also had a marriage certificate. Why are you not questioning me? What is this certificate? I don't believe this.
Okay, you can go now. I have proved my side. He said he took 7 fedas with Basanti and I have a legal marriage certificate for it. I would like to call my witness was present at the time of the wedding. He would like to prove. Take out. What did you see at the wedding?
I see that the personality and Gopal Das are very each other. And those 7 fedas and I did the very
I object your honor. So, what's your name?
My name is
Vishwas. So, what was really that you saw on that day? Explain properly.
I saw.
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh yes.
Explain.
I saw the Gopal Das and Basanti took 7 fedas.
I also took the 7 paras.
I didn't see you.
Okay. And just let me clarify one thing to you properly. If you lie on this course, don't forget that you are under oath. Okay.
No, I am taking clues for this.
And that's one thing that you cannot forget. You are under oath, and the consequences can be extremely severe if you lie under
Actually,
oath.
don't try to scare him, okay?
I'm just okay. Now I would like you to say again what really happened on that.
Sorry, my lord.
Can you speak a bit louder, please?
Sorry, my lord. I am.
Daily plan. It is just
Arithmetic count.
Your Honor, 50% allow me?
Then you can denied. Gopal Das is innocent and we bless the king.
Gopal Das is my husband. Come.
सो यस लिटिल बैक स्टोरी कि आखिर हुआ क्या था। हम लोगों को इंग्लिश लैब में कहा गया था कि आपको रोल प्ले कर परफॉर्म करना है एंड टॉपिक्स मैम देंगे और उन्होंने कहा था कि कोई एक ग्रुप है जिसमें मैं कोर्ट रूम दूंगी। इट ऑल फन दैट इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज तुम्हारा टास्क है, तुम्हें जैसे करना है करो। तो हमें फ्रीडम थी एंड मैम ग्रुप में डिवाइड करके टॉपिक्स देने लगी। तो आई वाज लाइक यार कोर्ट रूम तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है। तो फिर मैंने आगे बढ़ के मैम से पूछा कि मैम क्या कोर्ट रूम हमें मिल सकता है एंड मैम वाज लाइक तुम लोग सिर्फ 4 लोग हो। पीछे मुड़ी एंड फिर मेरा आई कांटेक्ट अर्जुन से हुआ एंड मैंने सिर्फ इतना पूछा था उससे कि करेगा एंड ही वाज लाइक। तो फिर हम लोग बैठे एंड हम लोग ग्रुप बना के डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि क्या करेंगे बिकॉज हम लोग को 10 मिनट सिर्फ और सिर्फ केस सोचने में लगा है। और फिर हम लोगों ने 10 मिनट के अंदर ये पूरा प्रिपेयर किया है कि कौन जाएगा, कौन कब बोलेगा, किसके क्या डायलॉग्स हैं और फिर भी हमने बीच में ब्लेंडर किया एंड लास्ट तक हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी ये थी कि जो मुंह में आए बोल देना, चुप नहीं रहना है, खुद की बेइज्जती नहीं करानी है। जो है इट्स शो टाइम। आई होप यू गाइज लाइक इट।